Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome everyone, and welcome Nexo. This is a speaking class to practice oral expression, and today we will use what we learned before about months and seasons of the year through 3 exercises.
Great, Emma. I am ready to speak and practice slowly.
First, shadowing helps you listen carefully and repeat with good rhythm. Next, read aloud helps you say a short text clearly and confidently. Finally, describe the picture helps you use simple words to talk about what you see.
That sounds useful, and I like starting with short sentences.
Perfect, Nexo. Let us begin with shadowing and warm up our voices. Shadowing. For shadowing, listen and repeat right after me, keeping the same rhythm.
Okay, I will listen first and then repeat.
It is January. February is cold. March is windy. I like spring. April is warm. May is sunny. June is in summer. July is very hot. August is quiet. September is busy. Autumn is beautiful. October is cool. November is dark. December is festive. Winter is cold. I can say the months. I can talk about seasons. Read aloud. Great work with shadowing. Now we will do read aloud. Nexo will read the text first, and then the viewer should pause the video to read it calmly.
I am ready to read aloud. In April, I walk to school with my sister. The air is warm, and the trees are green. After class, we sit in the park and eat apples. I like spring because the days are bright, and I can play outside.
Well done, Nexo. You did very well with the reading.
Thank you, Emma. The text was clear and easy.
Now it is your turn, so pause the video and read the text aloud. Describe the picture. Great reading, everyone. Now, in Describe the Picture, describe what you see and try to use the vocabulary shown and the grammar you studied.
I can try first and use simple sentences.
Exactly, Nexo. You try first, and after you, the viewer will try.
I can see a classroom. On the wall, there is a big calendar. The month is April and the season is spring. There are pictures for summer, autumn, and winter too. Nexo is at a desk with a book, a pencil, and a small plant. Emma is near the board. The room is bright, clean, and friendly.
Now it is your turn. Pause the video and describe the image your way, trying to use the words shown.
You can do it with easy words.
Do not make it complicated. Use short, simple sentences. For example, April, it is April, and spring, it is spring. Now it is your turn to pause and speak. And little by little, you will do better.